You always have to be careful when you go to the boat ramp because you never know when our boat ramp scouting crew is gonna catch you on film. Kind of like this week. This is up in Pennsylvania. Now, we always do some scouting for our Miami Boat Ramps channel, trying to find new exciting ramps that we can go to, film, and watch the madness at the boat ramp occur. But here we go, sun's out, guns out, let's get the madness at the ramp going. This particular ramp happens to be in Pennsylvania. As we'll see here in a few moments, a few signs might give that away. But we were up here scouting, trying to see if this ramp would fit for a ramp that we could video on a consistent basis. Now, as we can hear, somebody is out there revving the motor, and it's actually our Sun's Out, Guns Out crew, and they are trying to get their pontoon off the dock. Things are not going well for them. We reviewed this boat ramp. Unfortunately, it's not going to be a long-term ramp for us. There are several things that hold it back. Not quite as busy as some of the ramps we visit on a normal basis. And one of the other big downfalls is going to be engine limitations. I believe this lake has a 20 horsepower limit on the motors that are allowed. And if you can't tell, decent-sized pontoon, nice-sized crew on board. This motor's definitely going to struggle, even if everything was going perfect. But, as we're about to see, everything is not going perfect on this day for this crew. My man's revving the snot out of this motor, but we're going to find out in a moment, he's going to try and put it in gear, and this boat's just not going to go anywhere. And for whatever reason, this crew, even though there's obviously something wrong, they're still going to push off the dock. I have no clue why, but let's watch as it goes. Now, our captain here obviously can tell something's wrong. He was putting it in gear, trying to get off the dock, but the boat was going nowhere. Now, I still never really figured this one out because I didn't get a solid answer on it. My guess is that prop is gone, but I could be wrong. It might not be going into gear, but I mean, the motor definitely looks like it's trying to work. When they're loading up on the throttle, it just appears they're not getting any grip, which is making me wonder again if this prop didn't spin off or something like that is wrong. But what still dumbfounds me in the whole situation is they're walking this boat out. He already knows it's not going anywhere, but yet they're still just bound and determined they're going to take this thing and they're going to enjoy their day out on the lake. Right here you're going to see they're going to walk him to the end of the dock and our guy's going to let him go. So somebody just asked Captain, "Are you good?" And he responded, "No, I don't think so." But yet, for some reason, this crew still thinks they're getting out on the lake today, even though he's admitted something's wrong. So we fast forwarded a couple minutes, our crew sat on the dock for a moment, and once again, we're about to push off. The strange one is the guy that's on the dock asked them what they should do, and Cap's like, just push us off and then jump on. And he does it. I mean, this could be new boaters, guys. Maybe it's a rental pontoon, I don't know. So I don't want to knock the crew out here too bad. They might not just understand what's going on. But I mean, there's just no way I would get on a boat if I've been messing with it this long, and obviously it's not going anywhere. But here, our guy he's going to push it off the dock and jump on the boat.
really don't think they're going terribly far. Like he's lost his prop. Something's not.
So even our scout at this point in time, who again is not actually a boater, realizes they're not going to go very far. So Cap's got to pick up on this hint at some point in time as well. But one of the bigger problems is that they're drifting off the dock now, and of course, we already know they're going to have to get this thing back on the trailer. And that's going to be a difficult situation with no power as well. But for whatever reason, they decided to get themselves into this spot. Once again, I'm going to chalk it up into probably being a newer boater and just not fully understanding. I mean, but this is not that uncommon is the crazy part either. On the Miami Boat Ramps channel, the amount of times I watch people get down to the ramp, mess with their boat for 30 or 40 minutes on the dock, and then determine they're going to go out. Just only an hour or two later to see them being towed back in is crazy to me. If you show up at the ramp, guys, and something's wrong with the boat, don't risk it. There's no need to go out there and do that. I understand it's a commitment. You decided you were going to go out on the lake and enjoy yourself for the day. But the reality is, if something's wrong with the boat, you're just going to have to call it a day. Frustration obviously finally has set in. This crew does wind up calling it a day at this point. Our crew doesn't hang out to see exactly what the resolution was on this. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Gearing? Prop? What? Something obviously was wrong, but they weren't going anywhere, and this day is cut short for them. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of our boat ramp scouting, typically in place of what would be boating news of the week. But don't worry, for those of you who love boating news, it will be back next Wednesday. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.